Hello and welcome back. So far we talked about preview of the Azure features are in development, and also we talked a little bit on the publicly available or generally available, in short, GA. But now we'll just focus a little bit more on the general availability specific. General availability or GA means that once a feature has been fully evaluated, or maybe after releasing the as a preview and it is successfully tested, it might be released to the customers as part of the Azure default product set. This feature is referred as the general availability or GA. So Azure GA products and services may not always be available in every region. This is one of the key important that you need to remember. And as I said earlier in the previous lectures, generally available products always will align with the service levels and service support. But it doesn't mean that that same product must be available in all the regions. Let's take one of the example as the, let's search here maybe Cosmo TP. If I search here for the Cosmo TP, I should be able to find this specific product is available in Canada and almost all the regions. You see here, it's actually listed almost every region. But if I search another product also, just to compare with the data lakes, so data lake analytics, if I look at here, this product is missing in Canada East, Canada Central. That means they're still not ready with the data centers or the region completely, or the systems are not ready to release this feature. So you can't use data lake analytics in Canada region, Canada Central or Canada East, but you can use in a central use, which is a nearest location maybe. But so you need to remember that not all the products and services are available in every region. That's the outcome that you should be taken out from the generally available products. And you can see if the tick mark is a preview, also it will be showing you. So make sure that when you're trying to do any kind of products, you make sure you just try to go through this kind of chart, which would talk about all the features and which they are available or not. In generally available in all the locations, if you see here the Bing specific one, but not all the products. I hope this is useful for you. Thank you for watching this.